Now coming to the issue of debenture, journal entries. At the time of issue of debenture, we do the same type of journal entry as we have done it at the time of issue of share. Same type of journal entry we do it, only certain things will be changed. First is journal entry at the time of issue of share. First entry on application is bank account debit to share application. Here we will write bank account debit to debenture application. Okay, so in issue of share, when the share is issue of share and issue of debenture, issue of debentures. Okay, we do the same type of entries, only the certain things are changed. When the shares are issued, at the time of application, our entry is bank account debit to share application. We write the word share application account. Yes, here we will write in, when the debenture will issue, we will write debenture application account, and before debenture we will prefix rate of interest on debenture. If the rate of interest on debenture is 9%, then we will write 9% debenture application. If the rate of interest on debenture which is prefixed at the rate of 12%, then we will write 12% debenture application. So at the time of issue of share, bank account debit to debenture application, we will write the word debenture application. Here share application. Here we will write debenture application. At the time of allotment, we use the word share allotment account. Here we will use the word debenture allotment. Okay, debenture allotment account. And the rate of interest, we will write the rate of interest on debenture. Share first call, here we will write at the time of share first call, we write the share first call. Here we will write in case of issue of debenture, we will write debenture first call. Debenture first call account. Entry will be same. This thing will be changed, certain things. Here in case of issue of share at the time of second call, share second and final call account debit. Here we will write debenture second and final call. Okay, always we write the interest on debenture. If it is 9%, then we will write 9%. If it is 12%, then we will write 12%. If it is 10%, then we will write 10%. If it is 8%, then we will write 8%. Debenture application, 8% debenture allotment, 8% first call, 8% debenture second and final call. So at the time of issue of share, we use the word share application, share allotment, share first call, share second and final call. At the time of issue of debenture, same thing will be replaced by debenture application. Here the interest rate will be prefixed. Debenture allotment, debenture first call, debenture second and final call. Here when we transfer the share application or share allotment or share first call or share second and final call to share capital, we will write the share capital. Here what we do, that these things when we transfer to debenture account, then we will write debenture account. Here you have to write the interest on debenture. If interest on debenture is 9%, then we will write 9%. Here also 9%, here 9%, 9% and 9%. Okay, so journal is same, but words are changed. Okay, common thing is what? In both the cases, we use the word calls in advance. Calls in advance. Calls in advance. Here also we use the word calls in advance. It is same. In both the cases, the same word is used, calls in advance. If the shareholder has given the money in advance to the company, whether at the time of issue of share, then we use the word calls in advance, and whether it is at the time of issue of debenture, if the debenture holder has given the money which is not called up by the company, then the word calls in advance. Same word is used in both the cases. Similarly, calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. This is also used in both the cases. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. Okay? Called but not paid. Calls in arrear. So same thing is used. Okay? These are the common. These two are the common. Calls in arrear, calls in advance. Okay? Another is what is common in them. Security premium reserve. We use the word security premium reserve. When the shares are issued at a premium, we use the word security premium reserve. When the shares are issued, we use the word security premium reserve. When the debentures are issued at a premium, the same word will be used, security premium reserve. Same word will be used, security premium reserve. Same word will be used. When the shares are issued at a premium, we will use this word security. We will open this account, security premium reserve account. And when the debentures are issued at a premium, then also we use the same account, open the same account, security premium reserve account. Okay? When the debenture shares are issued at a discount, then we use the word discount on issue of share. Discount on issue of shares. Here we use the word discount on issue of debenture. Discount on issue of debenture. Here there is a difference. Discount on issue of share, when the shares are issued at a discount, and when the debentures are issued at discount, then we use the word discount on issue of debenture. Discount on issue of debenture. So common thing is what? Common. There is no change. Security premium reserve. Whether the debenture is issued at a premium or shares is issued at a premium, same account will be opened, security premium reserve, when the shares are issued at a premium and when the debentures are issued at a premium. Related to calls in advance, when the share money is received by the company which is not called, which is paid by the shareholder in advance, then we open the account calls in advance. Similarly, when the debenture holder has paid the amount in advance which was not called by the company, then calls in advance account will be open over here also. So it is a similarity. Similarly with the calls in arrear, if company has called and the shareholder didn't pay the amount, then we will open the calls in arrear. Similarly, when the company called the amount from the debenture holder or debenture holder failed to pay, then calls in arrear. So similarity is this 3. Here is a difference. Discount on issue of share. Here will be, they will use at the time of issue of debenture at a discount. Discount on issue of debenture. Here it is share application account. They will use debenture application. Share allotment. They will use debenture allotment. Share first call. Here it will use debenture first call. Share second and final call. So debenture second and final call. Share capital. Then here will be used debenture. And the rate of interest, we have to write the prefix the rate of interest on debenture. If it is 12%, then we will write 12% debenture application, 12% debenture allotment, 12% first call, 12% second and final call, 12% debenture account. This will be used. If the rate of interest is, suppose rate of interest is 9%, then we will write 9% Everywhere we will have to write the 9%. Is it clear? 9%. Okay, 9%. So journal entry, whether debenture is issued or share is issued, more or less journal entry is same. Now see the journal. See the journal at the time of application, the journal entry is bank account debit to debenture application. In share we write the share application. Here we will write the debenture application, and the rate of interest on debenture, which is prefixed, we have to write. If the rate of interest on debenture is 9%, then we have to write 9%. 9% debenture application, bank account debit to debenture application. Suppose it is 9%, then we will write 9%. Then this 9% debenture application, in case of oversubscription, will be transferred to 9% debenture account. In shares, we will write the share capital. Debenture application in shares, what we write over here in case of shares, what we have to write? We will write share application. In debenture, we will write the debenture application to, in case of share, it is share capital. Here we will write the debenture account. We don't write debenture capital. We never write debenture capital, only debenture account. So rate of interest we have to write over here. Excess money adjusted on allotment, then debenture allotment, and some money is refunded then to bank account. Again debenture allotment, we have to write the 9% debenture allotment account debit to 9% debenture account when the debenture is due at the time of allotment, and when we get the allotment money, then the bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment. At the time of first call, 9% debenture first call account debit to 9% debenture account. Okay. Then when we receive the money of first call, then bank account debit to 9% first call account. At the time of second and final call, 9% second and final call account debit, debenture second and final call account debit to 9% debenture. And when we receive the amount of second and final call, to bank account debit to 9% debenture second and final call. Okay, second and final call. So the entry wise, if you know the entry of shares, it means we can easily pass the entry for debenture, issue of debenture. Similarly, if you know the entry for shares, then we easily can do the entry for preference share capital. We can do the entry for the preference share capital. Is it clear? Easily. Now we'll see one question based on it. When the debentures are issued at a discount, normally discount is adjusted on allotment. If no information is given, then discount is adjusted or deducted at the time of allotment. Okay. So when the debentures are issued at a discount, then discount on issue of debenture will be debited. Okay. And the discount on issue of debenture will be write off. If no information is there, then in the same year we'll write off the discount or any capital loss from the statement of PL. This will be write off from the statement of profit and loss, or we can write off from the securities premium reserve, or we can write off from any sort of reserve, general reserve, like that. If any sort of reserve is there, then we may write off this one, either of them. To discount on issue of debenture, this will be write off by a discount on issue of debenture will be written off, discount on issue of debenture, or expense on issue of debenture, expenses on issue of debenture will be write off, issue of debenture will be write off in the year of expense, in the year of this capital loss or capital expense will be write off from the statement of PL, or we may write off from the adjusted from the security premium reserve or from any general reserve, okay, any sort of other reserves. So we'll see the one question based on the oversubscriptions, or here also the case of oversubscription and undersubscription. Debenture issued by the company is 10,000. The public has applied for more than 10,000, then it is oversubscribed. If public has applied less than that, then it is undersubscribed. And it is public has applied the same number which is offered by the public, which is offered by the company. It means offered debentures and applied number of debentures are same. So there may be the three cases: number of debenture issued by the company and number of debenture applied by the debenture holder is same. Second, the number of debenture offered by the company and number of debenture applied by the company may differ. Maybe applied is more, so it's a case of oversubscription, and applied is less than the offered, then it's a case of undersubscription. So same type of analytical table we will prepare as we have discussed at the time of issue of shares. Same analytical table for calculations, for calculating the surplus money which will be adjusted on allotment. Okay, now we'll see one question. So the question is, X Limited issued 5,000 12% debenture of rupees 100 each. X Limited issued, number of debenture issued by the company is, number of debenture issued by the company is 5,000. 5,000 debentures are issued by the company. 5,000 12% debenture of rupees 10 each, of rupees 100 each at 100 each at a premium of rupees 5, premium of rupees 5. Number of debenture issued by the company is 5,000 debenture. 5,000 is the number of debenture. 12% is the rate of interest. 12% debenture, 12% indicate the rate of interest on that debenture. Of rupees 100 each, it is the face value. 100 is the face value at a premium of rupees 5. It means it is issued at rupees 105. Including premium, it is 100 plus 5 premium, it is issued at rupees 105. On application rupees 30 including premium, it has given that on application rupees 30 including premium, it means excluding premium it is 25, including premium it is 30. It is premium amount and it is the issued price. On application 30 including premium, so excluding premium application is 25. On allotment it has given 40 rupees. On first and final call, it is the balance. So how much is the balance? It is of rupees 100. Debenture is of rupees 100. So balance amount is how much? Balance is 35 is the balance amount. 35 is the balance amount. This is the difference amount. 35 is the balance amount. on first and final call. Application received mean number of debenture applied by the public is 6,000. So it's a case of oversubscription and allotment was made pro rata to all applicant. Nobody's application is rejected, everybody has got it on pro rata basis. All the money due was duly received, past journal entries. So we will prepare the analytical table same as we have prepared at the time of issue of shares. So here the number of debenture applied, yes, number of debenture issued, number of debenture applied, yes, correct, applied, number of debenture allotted, allotment is done, number of debenture allotted, application money received, okay, surplus if any, which will be adjusted on allotment, okay, adjusted on allotment. So this is the analytical table. Now if there will be a refund, then we have to write refund column. We will prepare the refund. Now come, number of debenture applied by the public is 6,000 and company has allotted 5,000 debenture on pro rata basis, means at the 6:5 ratio. Those who apply for 6, they will get 5 shares. Number of debenture applied by the public is 6 and here the company has allotted on pro rata basis to all applicants. So 5,000 debentures which is issued by the company is allotted. It means allotment is based on the pro rata, that is 6:5. It means those who applied for 6, they will get 5 shares. So now the application money 6,000 into the application money is 30 rupees is the application money. So company will get 1,80,000, 6,000 into 30 rupees on application. Excess money given by the debenture holder applied for 6 and allotted 5,000 means on 1,000 shares excess money has given at the rate of rupees 30 per share on application. It means 30,000 is the surplus amount and this surplus will be adjusted on allotment. This surplus will be adjusted on allotment. Now come to the entry. First entry is, now come to the journal entry. First entry is bank account debit to 12% debenture application. It is a 12%. Debenture is of 12% debenture, so we have to write 12%. Bank account debit to 12% debenture application. How much money we have received on application? 1,80,000 rupees we have received on application. Okay. Now second entry, debenture application. Here we have to change the percentage. It is 12% debenture application account debit 1,80,000. Now we'll transfer to the debenture account 12% debenture account. In debenture we will write number of debenture allotted is 5,000 into 25 rupees. You have to see the face value line of application amount is 25 excluding premium. Including premium it is 30. So I have to see this one 25. Number of debenture allotted 5,000 into 25. So it is 1,25,000. Okay. Some money is adjusted on allotment. 30,000 rupees is adjusted on allotment. So 12% debenture allotment 30,000. no money is refunded, but here the security premium reserve, securities premium reserve account we have to open, premium reserve account. How much is the security premium reserve? On 5,000 shares which is allotted by the company, premium money on application is rupees 5. So multiply to 5, so it is 25. So debenture application 1,80,000 which is received over here. Now some amount is transferred to debenture account. Okay, 12% debenture account. How this amount is calculated? Number of debenture allotted into the application money excluding interest. Thereafter, this much money is the surplus money is adjusted an allotment, so debenture allotment. And on security premium, because on application there was a premium of rupees 5 per share, so 5,000 share which is allotted into premium money. Now come to the debenture allotment. Debenture allotment 9% instead of 9% it is 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account. 12% is the rate of interest which is prefixed by the company. Okay, it is fixed. It is clearly given by the company or mentioned by the company in the debenture certificate which is issued by the company under the seal. Okay, and all terms and conditions mentioned on that certificate, when it will be redeemed, what will be the interest on debenture and so on. So here the 12% debenture allotment account debit, number of debenture allotted is 5,000 and allotment money is rupees 40. So 5,000 into 40, it's 2 lakhs. 5,000 into 40, it's 2 lakhs. Okay. So 2 lakhs will be debit and credit. We'll have to debit 2 lakhs over here, 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Okay. How this 2 lakh is calculated? It is clear. It is calculated on the basis of number of debenture is 5,000 which is issued, which is allotted into allotment money 40 rupees. Allotment money 40 rupees. Now come to the bank account debit to debenture allotment. How much money we will get on allotment? The interest is 12%. I have changed the interest 12%. So 2 lakh is the due amount. Already 30,000 is adjusted. Excess money which was received on application is adjusted on allotment. So that money we will not receive. This money we will not receive. So except this money, will receive how much? 2 lakhs is the due amount minus 30,000 which we will not receive because that money we already received on application which was adjusted on allotment. Excess money of application adjusted on allotment. So finally the company will receive 1,70,000. Company will get 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 here and 30,000 here credit. 2 lakh is total credit. Now come to the debenture first call and final call. First and final call. First and final call. Thereafter no call. First and final call account. Debit to 12% debenture account. To 12% debenture account. So first and final call account debit. Okay. So amount will be, number of debenture is how much? 5,000 which is allotted and first and final call money is 35. So 5,000 into 35. So 0, 0, 0. 1,75,000. 1,75,000. Is it clear? 1,75,000 will be debit and credit. To 12% debenture 1,75,000. And in the bank account debit to 12% debenture 12% debenture, 1,75,000. Debit and credit, 1,75,000. So this is the entry. This is the entry. This entry we will not done. We will not do this entry in this question because first call is the last call. First call was the last call. So the first entry, first two entry of application, second two entries for allotment, and thereafter two entries for the first and final call. So we do the entry same as the shares as we have done at the time of share. There are slightly changes in the word. Okay, in case of debenture application, we'll use, in case of share application, we'll use over here debenture application. In case of, in place of share allotment, we'll use the word share debenture allotment. Share first call, we'll use the debenture first call over here. Share second and final call, so debenture second and final call. This is the word we use in place of this. Okay. Now see the another question of issue of debenture at a discount, when the debentures are issued at a discount. So question is, it's a question, the question is based on under subscription. R Limited issued 8,000 share. Number of share issued is number of shares issued by the company is 8,000 shares. Okay, 8,000 shares. Number of shares issued by the company is 8,000 shares. Of rupees 100 each, of rupees 100 each, at 100 each at a discount of, at a discount of 5%, okay, payable as on application, payable as on application rupees 25, on allotment it is 25, payable 25 on allotment, on first and final call is the balance amount, first and final call is the balance amount. So here the main thing is what? These shares are issued at a discount. Number of shares issued is, number of shares issued by the company is 8,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of 5%. Okay. Public applied number of shares, this is not shares, number of debenture, sorry, number of debenture. So number of debenture applied by the public is, 6,000 debentures, 6,000, it is debenture, number of debenture is 8,000. So 6,000 debenture is applied by the public. So when the 6,000 debenture is applied, number of debenture issued is 8,000 and applied by the public is 6,000. It means it's a case of under subscription. offered by the public is more, but the applied by the public is offered to public for subscription is more, and applied by the public is less than the offered, so it's a case of under subscription. So all the calculation will be based on this number. We'll do the calculation on the basis of this number, 6,000 debentures. So here the question is, when it is issued at a discount of 5%, 100 rupees debenture, face value of debenture is rupees 100, and it is issued at a discount of 5%. So discount is how much? 5 rupees. It means it issued at rupees 95. Face value is 100, issued at a discount of rupees 5. It means issued price is 95. So this line is the line of 100, face value line. This is the line of face value of debenture. This is the line of discount, and this is the line of issued price. So application 25, because the payable amount has given payable as followed, allotment 25, allotment is also 25. It means if the discount is 5 rupees is the discount here, it means face value line it is 30. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so rest is how much? Rest is balance is 5. 45 is the balance. 45 is the balance. This calculation is very important calculations. Normally student commit the mistake over here. Payable, you write the payable in the issued price line. Discount, write it over here. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Okay, it means on allotment money, face value of allotment is 30. After 5 rupees discount, the payable is 25. Okay, now we'll do the entry. And next and last line is, all the money were duly received. There is no calls in arrear or no calls in advance. Expense on issue of debenture amounted to rupees 20,000, and company decide to write off all capital losses in the first year itself. In the first year, company write off all capital losses. Now come to the here, bank account debit to debenture application. Bank account debit to debenture application. So number of shares which we will take, this number we will consider because the applied is less. So 6,000 number of debenture applied by the public into application money is how much? 25. So 6,000 into 25. So it is how much? 6,000 into 25. 0, 0, 0, 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. Bank account debit to debenture application, and the rate of interest on debenture is how much? Rate of interest, it is given that it's a 13% debenture. 8,000 is the number, 13% debenture. 13% debenture indicate the interest rate. It is the interest. So we have to mention 13% over here. So bank account debit to 13% debenture application. 1,50,000, 6,000. We'll do all calculation on number of debenture applied. 6,000 into application money. Now next, 13% debenture application account debit 1,50,000. 13% debenture allotment account debit. Here the debentures are issued at a discount, so we'll debit the discount on issue of debenture, discount on issue of debenture account, discount on issue of debenture account to 13% debenture account, to 13% debenture account. Okay, so calculation will be, now see how I'm going to calculate this amount. Here in debenture allotment, 5,000 is 6,000 is the number of debenture which is applied by the public, into okay. Now see, on allotment we'll write this amount 25, 6,000 into 25, discount 6,000 into 5, and this much will be in the face value, 30 rupees will be in the face value in debenture account. So 6,000 into 25, it is 1,50,000. Yes, 1,50,000. 6,000 into 5, it is 30, and 6,000 into 30, it is 1,80,000. Is it clear? 1,80,000. 1,80,000. This one, 1,80,000. So second entry is 13% debenture allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to 13% debenture. So 6,000 is the number, multiplied 25 will be in the allotment. Okay, 5 rupees on discount, 30 rupees will be on debenture. Now there is no arrear, everybody has paid the amount, so this 1,80,000 will be debited. Bank account debit to debenture allotment 1,80,000. Here it is 13% debenture allotment. Next entry is 13% debenture first and final call account debit to 13% debenture account. This is the entry for due. So here the calculation will be 6,000 is the number of debenture into 45 rupees into 45. So 6,000 into 45. So 0, 0, 0. 2,70,000. 2,70,000. So 2,70,000, it is due with the amount 2,70,000. And next entry is bank account debit to 13% debenture. First and final call, first and final call, 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Okay, this much amount we will receive it. Okay, 2,70,000. The next entry is related to expense on issue of debenture, and the next entry is, in this case, expense on issue of debentures amounted to rupees 20,000. So entry will be expenses on issue of debenture account debit, issue of debenture account debit to bank account, to bank account, to bank account. 20,000. Okay, 20,000 in debit and 20,000 is on credit. Okay, expense on issue of debenture account debit to bank account. Thereafter it is mentioned that company decided to write off all capital losses in the first year itself. So when we are going to write off, so statement of PL, statement of profit and loss to expenses on issue of debenture, we are going to write off. And second loss was this discount, this is the second loss, 30,000, we have to write off. Discount on issue of debenture. This is the capital loss. This is the two capital loss. This is the capital expenses and this is the capital loss. So loss is how much? 30,000 is the discount on issue, 20,000 is the expenses. So total is 50,000. This one is going to write off from the statement of PL, from the statement of profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss. So where the narration is concerned, narration is very simple. Being debenture application amount received on 6,000 shares at the rate of rupees 25 per share. Narration very simple. Being debenture application money received on 6,000 shares at the rate of rupees 25 per share. Here the narration will be being debenture application money transferred to debenture account, 13% debenture account. Here the narration will be being debenture allotment, 13% debenture allotment due. Okay, being 13% debenture allotment due, which was issued at a discount of rupees 5 on 6,000 shares. Being debenture allotment money due on 6,000 shares at the rate of rupees 25 per share and discount on issue of debenture rupees 5. Here the being debenture allotment money received. Here the entry narration will be being debenture first and final call money due. Here. Debenture first and final call money due on 6,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 45 per debenture. And here the being debenture first and final call money received. Here the share issue expenses paid, and here the narration will be being expenses on issue of shares and discount on issue of debenture write off in the year of expenses and losses itself. So this will be the narration. Okay.